Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix sparking HDR or resolution issue on PS5. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, adjust PS5 video output settings. Navigate to Settings from the PS5 main menu. Scroll down and select Screen and Video. Under Video Output, set resolution to the correct option for your TV, typically 2160p for 4K displays. Ensure HDR is set to On when supported. If you still have issues, try setting HDR to always on or off. Next, check TV HDR compatibility. Verify that your TV supports HDR and is set to the correct mode. On your TV's settings, ensure HDR mode is enabled for the HDMI port your PS5 is connected to. Some TVs require manual activation of HDR mode, so check your TV's user manual. Try adjusting picture mode on the TV to game mode for better performance and resolution. Next, use an HDMI 2.1 cable. Ensure you are using the HDMI 2.1 cable that came with your PS5 for optimal HDR and resolution performance. If you're using a third-party cable, make sure it supports HDMI 2.1. Check if the cable is properly connected to both your PS5 and TV. If you have other HDMI cables, try swapping them to rule out any cable issues. Confirm your TV's HDMI ports support HDMI 2.1. Some older TVs may not support it. After that, update PS5 and game software. Simply go to Settings, System Software Update, and make sure your PS5 system is updated to the latest version. Then, open the Dragon Ball Sparking Zero game and check for any updates by pressing the Options button and selecting Check for Update. Now, game and system updates often contain fixes for compatibility issues, including HDR and resolution bugs. You can then restart your PS5 after the update to ensure the changes are applied. If the issue persists, uninstall and reinstall the game to refresh any corrupted files. Next, adjust in-game display settings. Launch Dragon Ball Sparking Zero and navigate to the Game's Settings menu. Look for display or graphics settings and make sure the resolution is set to match your TV's capabilities. You can also try lowering the resolution in-game if you notice performance drops or blurry textures. Then, check if HDR is enabled in the game and toggle it on or off to see which improves the display. If available, adjust gamma and brightness to fine-tune the visuals. Finally, calibrate HDR settings on PS5. Go to Settings, Screen and Video Output and select HDR. For that, choose Adjust HDR to start the PS5's built-in HDR calibration tool. Follow the on-screen prompts to calibrate your display's brightness and contrast levels. This will ensure your PS5's HDR settings are optimized for your TV. Restart the game after calibration to see the difference. So that's basically how you can fix sparking HDR or resolution issue on PS5. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.